First, Duxtop 9600 LS1800W Portable Induction Cooktop, approx $8140. Power and precision meet portability. The Duxtop 9600 LS offers 1800W 20 power levels and an LCD touch panel for exact control. Whether you are simmering, boiling, or searing, it heats fast and responds instantly to adjustments, great for small kitchens, catering, or as a second burner when you need additional cooking space. Second, Duxtop 8100 MC 1800W Induction Cooktop, approx $6110. A dependable single burner with digital controls, the Duxtop 8100 MC balances affordability and performance. With strong 1800W output and intuitive buttons, it brings safe, induction-style cooking to apartments and pop-up kitchens. Fast heat, easy cleanup, and precise temperature settings for everyday cooking tasks. Third, precision induction cooktop, temperature controlled, approx $9160. If controlled temperature is essential, this precision induction model gives you fine-tuned settings from low simmer to high sear. It's ideal for recipes that demand consistency, sauces, candy, or delicate reductions, and delivers stable heat without hot plate hazards. A favorite for hobby chefs who want professional-grade control in a compact unit. Fourth, NuWave commercial-grade NSF-certified induction cooktop, approx $200-350. Built for heavy use, the NuWave commercial unit offers programmable temperatures, timers, and NSF certification for food service safety. It's the choice for pop-ups, food trucks, or catering where dependable, repeatable heat matters. Durable build and advanced controls give pro features in a countertop package. Fifth, Duxtop 9610 LS1800W Induction Cooktop, approx $9150. The 9610 LS combines an advanced LCD interface with 20 temperature levels for flexible, responsive cooking. With powerful 1800W heating and a user-friendly control panel, it's ideal for precision tasks and everyday stovetop needs. Portable, efficient,